tranquility. Yet every car passed by me. Yes, my spirit battle for tranquility. Yet every car passed by me. Want to be decorated for bravery. Claiming I'm a threat to society. And I am guilty of subversive activity. Yeah, incessantly. So constantly. Yeah, incessantly, I'm on toil to resist poverty, mainly selling a little cali. Hacking at the root with the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Hacking at the root with the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. My spirit battle for tranquility. Yet every car pass by me. Yes, my spirit battle for tranquility. Yet every car pass by me. Want to be decorated